We are live. What's up, everybody? What the heck? Bitcoin is popping. Hey, welcome aboard, everybody. I'm Jeff, and this is Markets in the Afternoon. We got us some green. We got lots to talk about. We're going to look at the stock market, crypto market, all sorts of good shit going on. What's up? Hopefully y'all are banging. Look at Bitcoin. What are you doing, Bitcoin? 63,000. We are pumping hard. I went live yesterday, right, as Bitcoin was coming into this support level. And we talked about what to look for. And son of a bitch, it did it. Look at this. Okay, so I got the 30-minute chart, the daily. Bitcoin came into a key level. First of all, that's the biggest green candle we've seen in a while. Okay, it's up 4.62%, but right here, we have that V bottom, but more importantly, bam, right there, baby. The moving average is crossed. Love to see it. You know, everybody's always like, how do you catch these reversals? Well, there you go. You draw these key levels. I talked about it yesterday. Draw these key levels. And then right here, you can see how we were stacked to the downside, right? Sellers in control, but right there, baby. Right there. And that momentum shifted. That was your money shot. Look at this. Straight up like a damn missile. Working its way back up here to that key level. But regardless, that bad boy's banging. We got lots to go over. We got about 30 minutes. Hey, S&P 500 right now is up almost 40. We'll take a look at that. But let's start off with Coinbase. Coinbase is popping today. Look at that. Well, holy shit. Coinbase has been getting its butt whooped. It's up 7.52%. And we're trying to break out through this key level. But look at this on the 30-minute. So we broke out. We're pulling back. We're testing this area. Now, I know a lot of y'all, well, I don't know. Maybe you trade stocks. Maybe you don't. I've been trading stocks for, 17 years. But I've been in the financial industry for 27 years, right? Securities license managed over $100 million. 6, 63, 65, 7, all the security license. But now I just basically trade full time and teach people how to do it. But right here, bam, pulling back. Either way, that's a big ass green candle. Big green candle. We're going to look at XRP. We're going to look at all sorts of stuff. I'm super pumped. I mean, it's always nice when it's green. We drop back below 63. We'll go back up there in a minute. But either way, it's moving. So it's kind of pulling off a little bit, but good. The reality is this. As long as these moving averages stay stacked to the upside, boom, we're good. Price action, it's above this 8 exponential. Whenever things are cooking, it stays above the 8. So regardless. And then our first indication will be that blue will cross the red, and then that blue will cross the pink. And that's when more than likely we'll roll over from the top. But as of right now, it's just pausing this candle. Looking good. Cardano, look at you, man. You've been a dog too, but look, there it is. Same thing. Cardano pulled into our daily key level. So I got the daily. I draw this every day for y'all, every single day. Right? So it's coming into a daily key level right here, 33 cents. I told y'all, you know, we're playing zone to zone. Oops, who's that? Hi, this person just fucking text messaged me. Hi. How about this? Shut the fuck up. Right? Zone to zone. That's where we're at. Okay. So we bounced off this 33. Working our way up to 36.84. But there it is. There it is. Same bottom, right? Fucking dying here. You can see we were stacked to the downside right there, baby. When those moving averages cross and we get that pickup in momentum where we go from, on a squeeze pro, we go from yellow to baby blue. And we cross, look at that shot. Now we're hugging that 8 and we are banging up 3.92%. We got lots to look at too, man. Look at that. A lot of green. Super good. We'll get into the stock markets. Back up 40, closing near the high. Ethereum. All right. Ethereum. You know, let me do this real quick. Okay, there's my key level. Man, I sneezed, dude. So we didn't quite pull back into that key level. But remember, it's a zone or air. We came close. We came close. But still, same concept. Right here, we shifted. We went from bearish momentum to positive. We crossed with some volume, and bam, 2,457. Pumping. I like it. Russell 2000's up 42 today. That's big. We haven't seen a candle like that in a little while. It's actually approaching a resistance high up nice. 2,235. So we're pumping, and that's good. We want to see that Russell 2000 bang. It's the small caps, right? People invest in the small caps whenever they feel good. Things we're popping. Just like, you know, in bull markets, you want to see the small caps lead. Now, they're not leading right now. You'll see in a minute the S&P 500 has already broke its high, but it's good to see that it's starting to catch up. One thing about me, y'all know I day trade on this channel live every day, right? Day trade the S&P 500. Then we swing trade options. And then at the end of the day, I go back and I look for opportunities. So I'm looking for opportunities right now to get into trades, to be honest with you. Tell me it's my favorite. So this is 𝗙𝘂𝘁𝗂𝗏 by Charles Schwab. You can see here S&P 500 floating around that, broke out, nice, 5,822. Big, nice. But here's what I'm watching right now. Oracle, I'm looking for an entry in Oracle. eBay, Chewy, right? Good old Chewy. So I'm always looking at this at the end of the day because between 2:30 and 3, if you are an option trader, that seems to be one of the best times to get in, right? One of. In the morning is the best, right? The time that we do it live around 9 o'clock a.m. Central. No, not 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock. But I've been trading options for 17 years. I love it. Love it. Naked puts, strangles, butterflies, calendars. We teach all that good stuff. Look at XRP. XRP, again, it's bouncing around between key levels. 50 cents to that 55, 56 cent area. Just right now, it's in the middle. I do like that it's finally starting to potentially get out of this congestion. Now, remember, see this candle? See this candle? At one time, those were big green candles, but they sold off. So I would like to see XRP close at or near the high. We did shift momentum right here. We crossed. We are hugging that 8, so that's good. But 54 cents. We got us a long ways to go. Right? Once we get through 55 cents, then we want to see that hold and work its way up to that 66 cent level. Now, it's going to build different levels along the way. And again, I go live every day. Normally, I go live just for members of the channel and university students. But today, I was feeling good. Everything was green. I decided just to go live, right, for everybody. Fuck it. Again, makes you happy. Going into the weekend, you look at your portfolio and you're like, oh, yeah, it's up. That's good. Better than that shit being down like it's been. Man, look at that XRP. XRP went from 66 cents on September 29th down to 50. That is a, what is that? About a, hang on. Shit, what is that? About a 23, 25% decline? And it did that in literally just a couple of days, right? Shit. Yeah, 23%. So this bad boy took a beating. So we got a long ways to go. But the fact that it's up right now is pretty good. Gold. Look at gold, man. Gold has been popping. Pulled into this 34 EMA. We talked about this squeeze. So what you're looking for, again, I teach traders every day. So if you want to trade, or if you're a short-term investor, this is what you're going to look for, right? you want to see these beautiful stacked moving averages. This is blue above the 21, above the 34, just like here. This is the 30-minute chart. This is the daily chart. But look, they're the same, man. Look at that beautiful, okay? Look at that beautiful. Now, we got this trend, right? So we're trending up. You got a pattern. A pattern is whenever you start to consolidate. So like right in here, you go up and you start to consolidate. So the trend, the pattern, and then right there's your squeeze. These black dots, these red dots. That is your money shot. That is the time. Look, that's the time to get in these trades. So if you're trying to ride the momentum, it doesn't just go straight up. Okay. Again, you can catch the best time to do that is whenever you're breaking through a key level on the daily, then you can catch these bad boys on the 30-minute. All right. But look, right there, you position size in this buy zone in between an 8 and 34. Pop. Going into a squeeze right now. Look, there was 2 dots right here. Look at it. So it had these 2 dots. Then we went red. So there's a low compression squeeze, a mid compression, and then the mid compression fired. Okay, but that's it. Look, we got 2 dots now. So if we start getting these red dots, chopping around more, it's setting up again. Just right here, look, same concept. Look at this 30-minute. Started off. Now, it doesn't always start off with the black dot, but look. So you went from, you know, in this case, it was trending to where you went to that low compression squeeze. You started to consolidate, building up energy. This indicator is awesome because this indicator tells you when it's the time, if you trade, and you're not just trying to catch reversals, but if you trade, when is it time to get in? And then we went red, and again, the red fired, just like here. There was your consolidation. Bam! But gold right now is up, and it's been strong. So what we need to see, again, if you trade gold, right? I trade GLD, which is the ETF that tracks gold. What's going on, Justin? Hey! Justin in the house. I like to give shout outs, man. I don't really have a lot of people that watch. I don't know. People find me. They're like, hey, dude, I didn't even know you existed. I'm like, shit, dude. I've been around a long time. It's just I'm not big into social media, right? I just trade. I'm just kind of starting to figure out all the social media stuff, man. I've been managing money for a long time under the radar for these fools right here. And that's it. All right, but gold's looking good. All right, here we go. S&P 500. See, look at this bad boy. S&P break. It actually broke out 2 days ago, and we are popping. So where would we measure our price target? So right here, take that Fibonacci. I'm going to do a video on Fibonacci breakouts, but there we go. So I'd be targeting on the S&P 500, 5,861. That would be my target of this breakout. That's good. We need this bad boy to move because Bitcoin hasn't broke out yet. The Russell 2000 hasn't broke out yet. So we need this to pop. We got stacked moving averages over here on the 30-minute. Looking good. Looking good. So I like it. And again, I'm going to go over a lot because we still got 20 minutes because there's some other ones like Ondo. Shiba's pumping nicely. Again, I know a lot of y'all like Ondo. I do too. S&P right now is 38. Let's keep rolling. NVIDIA is kind of flat today. So now we're getting into the ones that aren't doing much today. NVIDIA is taking a little pause. It's up, but look at NVIDIA. We had that August 27 high. Shit. It broke out. We need to get Bitcoin to do that. But see, come back a little. What's up? I'm starting to get back into options trading. Yes. So I love option trading, right? Every day we do it. Every day I do it. I do it for members of the channel, but also I have university students. We swing trade options. I've been doing that for 17 years. It's one of my favorites. I also day trade the S&P 500. So what's interesting, Justin, is so on the day trade, check this out. Let me show you since you know you're here talking back and forth. We'll chat. So take a look at this. So every single day we day trade the S&P 500. Now, this is the ES futures, right? You know, the ES futures contract. So what you can do is, and this is the 3-minute chart. I also look at the 1-minute chart, right? I look at all sorts of cool stuff. But you can trade the ES, you can trade the MES, the micros, or you can trade calls and puts on the SPY. So probably on Monday, well, I mean, I do it every day, but, you know, on Monday, I don't know if I'll go live for everybody or just channel members and university, but you can trade calls and puts on the SPY. So what I do is I look at the futures contract, but I trade the SPY every day. Love it. So options are good. I also trade the squeeze, flags, breakouts, all sorts of cool shit, man. And I'm giving away a lot of stuff too for options. Just, I'm not trying to sell you nothing. I mean, it doesn't matter, but just check in the description. I give away all sorts of cool shit. But I love option trading, brother. Love it. Market's up 40. Again, I'm looking for Oracle, eBay, and Chewy to do some call options, right? Or some spreads. I do debit spreads, credit spreads, iron condors, naked puts, covered calls, calendars, butterflies, all that shit. All right. NVIDIA, though, popped out. But look at this. This is what I was going to talk about. So NVIDIA, so remember Bitcoin? Remember, of course you fucking know Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is back down in that area. So NVIDIA is already broke its 27 high. Let's go back and look at Bitcoin. See, Bitcoin has not broke that high yet. So Bitcoin is lagging NVIDIA, right? Look, now it's popping today, but NVIDIA is already broke out. So when I go back to NVIDIA, take a look at that high right there. Bam. See that? Shit, it already broke out of that high and that high. So it's banging. It's doing good. The dollar. So the dollar is up a little bit today. I watched the dollar. Right? It hit this bottom, but you can see, same concept, right? Look, we were down here on the squeeze. Momentum shifted positive. We crossed. You could have jumped in right there. I'm not saying you trade the dollar, but I look at the dollar. So far, things are doing good. Let's kind of bring it over really quick because I'm looking at this platform as well. I do my option trading, Justin, on Thinkorswim by Charles Schwab. What's TD Ameritrade? All sorts of cool stuff. Like, for example, right, you know, here's the SPY. Here's the different option contracts going on here. Or let's go here, like Citigroup. I like Citigroup. So you can see here we got calls, we got puts. You probably notice anyway, but you know, I love it. It's a way to leverage it, right? Yeah, I love option trading. So that's good. We'll see how this market closes out. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, so here's what I do, man. And you know, here's the deal. I trade live every day. I did today as well. Actually, at 3 o'clock, dude, check this. Okay, so at 3 o'clock, my video is going to go public. Yeah, it was options. So watch it today. So what happens is, okay, 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, I day trade the S&P 500. Okay. Now, I have two things, okay? Two things. One is I have a university. I have students, like school. I teach students. Okay, I'm not trying to sell you anything, but it's in the description for that. Like I do live coaching classes. We trade live, but they log into a private WebEx and we answer questions and all that good stuff. That's the coaching. But we have channel members. It's like $5, man. It's like nothing. $5 for the channel members. So with the channel members, one of the benefits is I go live and they can watch it live. So university students get to watch it live and channel members watch it live. And you know, with options, man, you got to act. Because if you are late, it's a lot more expensive, right? You missed the move. So I trade live and members watch it first. Then, and again, so university students, we're typing back and forth in a WebEx. So I'm answering questions. I'm looking at their stocks, but I'm going over the rules because I teach them, right? I've been teaching this shit for a long time. But members for $5, they get to watch it live. Then it goes public later. So like at 3 o'clock, so in 10 minutes, the option class that I did earlier at like 10 o'clock in the morning goes public in 10 minutes. So you can watch it because it'll be public. Now, again, it's not live. It was live. Okay, the market's closed. So the benefit of being a channel member is if there's something good, and we take trades all the time, you get to do it when the market's open, right? And then, of course, we're day trading as well. So I think it's going to be in the description of this video. It actually is in the description of this video. Just check it out. Email me. Let me know. So yes, I trade live. I love it. But sometimes I just go live like right now for like everybody. But when it comes to the options trading, I don't fuck around, dude. Same with day trading. But that's how you I'm sorry, I got 3 screens. I'm looking at you over there. And if you're a rookie, don't worry about it, man. Let me tell you something. I got a lot of students, and they're badass. They're badass. And a lot of them were brand new, and they're killing it. Killing it. I know how to teach options, man, and I know how to trade options. I'm fucking love it. So thanks for being here, too. First of all, I appreciate you. I don't have a lot of subscribers. I don't do a lot. I don't do marketing. I'm not really big into the social media. So every single one, like you, that make comment, trust me, I appreciate that. Big time, okay? And my goal is simple. Help everybody trade full-time for a living, okay? Now, you can make, extra money. Check this out. I don't know if you can see it, but right here. See this book? It took me 2.5 years to write that book. It's sold on Amazon, everything, but it's about trading, right? It's called Trading Part-Time. So I love it for people who give a shit, right? People who don't give a shit, fuck that. I just want to teach people how to make money, full-time income or just supplement your part-time income. All right, let's go take a look at some of these elements. Thanks for being here. Stock market's up 38. Again, I'm watching it. I like to take trades at the end of the day in my options if I see any entries. Shiba, look at you, Shiba. All right. So let's take a look at I wish I could trade options on crypto. Holy shit, dude. If we could trade options on crypto, I'd blow everybody's mind. Everybody in crypto, oh God, if you could trade options on crypto, if I could do naked puts and vertical spreads and calendars on fucking crypto, everybody would be fucking blown. I believe one day we will, but that's not today. Shit, I wish we could, bro. I'd be selling naked puts on this shit. Man, I'd freak people out, but we can't do it yet. All right, so take a look at this. We're sandwiched in between these 2 key levels on Shiba. Nice green move today, but let me point out again. We had this negative momentum on the Squeeze Pro. It shifted positive. We got that moving average crossover. That's where you take the shot. That's the money pattern, man. And look at that. That right there is, what's about an 8% move. That's not bad considering it's not even a day. It's popping. Ondo's popping today too. Came down into our key level every day. And again, yesterday's video, it didn't bounce. Yesterday's video, we were talking about all these. All of them, right? There it is, though. That shift. Now we got that strong momentum. We crossed. More importantly, take a look at this. It's hugging the 8. When it stays above that blue, it's a rocket ship. Yeah, let me bring this over here, brother. Yeah, my man, that's a fucking, let me see here, bro. I'm looking at your thing. That sounds good. Yeah, trading alongside some, yeah, we have a lot of people in the room. The good news is you'll see, man, if you did join us, you'll like it because we got a really good group, man. And we trade the same thing. We have the same watch list. We run the same scans. So we're all on the same page. I don't just feed people crap. That doesn't do anybody any good. Like, we teach them, man. We teach them. But I've been doing it probably longer than a lot of people. 17 years is a long time. I'm 49 years old. I've been doing this shit for a long time. But I remember, I was a money manager too. for 27 years. I managed over $100 million, and I just got tired of it. I got tired of people whining, man. The market would be down, and they would fucking whine. Hated it. Well, the market's down. Shut up, man. So I said, I don't want to manage anybody's money. I want to teach them how to do it. Banging. Solana. We like Solana, right? We got about 5 minutes before the market closes. S&P 500 hanging in there, 35. All right. So right here, again, we're sandwiched in between key levels. I love the bounce. There you go again. They're all looking the same. Hugging the 8. Powerful. Solana's up 4.59. Dogecoin, 4.79. Big bounce. Same thing. Same thing. When one pops, they all pop. You're looking for that. Now look at that. We're staying above the 0. We're crushing it. Now, what are you going to wait for? Look at Tron. This is what you're going to wait for. Okay? Check this out. Tron doesn't have a lot of volume, but my point is just check this out. This is what I'm talking about. So whenever you get this cross, right, you're going to wait for the squeeze. There it is. That's the time that you get into the trade. You position size into the squeeze when it's quiet, right? There's a squeeze, pop. There's a squeeze, pop. This is the buy zone. You enter when price is in between the moving averages. Okay? So now you can't enter now. That's too high. Wait for it to retrace, go into a squeeze, pop. Pop. But look at Tron. Man, I'm so pumped about Tron. I've got a lot of Tron. I bought Tron when it was less than 1 penny. Hadn't done nothing. I am ready for Tron to go up to $1 and get the freak out. All right. Back to Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin's looking nice. Cross. There it is. Don't enter now. Wait. There's a black squeeze. So that was kind of a little low compression squeeze. Mana. Boom. Kind of go here. Let's redraw these key levels like that. Okay. I'm always constantly drawing these key levels. Okay. Mana's right in the middle. Looking good. Again, Cardano. I always like Cardano. I told you right there was the shot. Bam. Don't enter now. Don't even think about it. Bitcoin is Bitcoin 63. Back over 63. Chainlink up 3.74. Bounce. All of these look the same. Ethereum. 2,457. It bounced. Again, everything is looking good. We got some green. I already do. Dow Jones up 418. Bam! And look at that. Dow Jones is actually breaking out right now, up over 400 points today. ES 35. NASDAQ. Looking good. Now, NASDAQ is a little bit lagging. It hasn't popped through this high. If you notice, what was popping through that high right now? The Dow Jones. So the Dow Jones is breaking out right now. NASDAQ's lagging. And then the worst is Russell. Russell still got a ways to go, but it's showing some life. Tron, love Tron. I got a lot of Tron. Well over, I'm not going to lie, dude. A lot. That's all I'll fucking say about that. But I like how we broke back. Holding that. It's good. Maddox up. H-bar. I like H-bar. Things are pumping. Things are pumping. So a lot of green. Let's hope this continues. Let me bring my platform back over here. All right. Remember, 3 o'clock, my video goes live from our options live class today. So as soon as I finish here, it's gonna go. Now, it's not live, obviously, because it was live in the morning, but still, you can see how we do it, man. I really appreciate you being here. All of y'all who are watching. You know, I'm not good into this marketing stuff, man. I'm not big into social media. I'm trying to start doing it more. I've been, just managing money and trading by myself for so long. But now I'm out there. I work with, several students. Day trading. Love it. Option swing trading. And short-term crypto investing and trading. Market's up 34. It doesn't look like I'm going to get any entry. So things are looking good. Bitcoin, let's keep that above 63,000. I'll be back here on Monday. I'll be day trading on Monday live because the market is open. And then I'll be doing option swing trading, and I'll come back on live for members for the crypto market. Hey, Justin, thanks for being here, my friend. Y'all come back, all right? Let's make a lot of money this year. We ain't got much time left in this year, so let's finish it powerful. And then when the market takes off, we got to know when to sell. We don't want to get caught with our portfolio way up here and then watch it go all the way back down. That's not going to happen. All right, my friend. Take a look at the video that comes out in 3 right now. Actually, it's probably coming out right now. It's on the options live class today. I think it's under the video section. I don't know how YouTube works. All right, buddy. Peace out, my friend.